Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a high protein breakfast recipe and we call it as chicken omelette. You can make this omelette with veggies of your choice, like you can add spinach, potato, mushrooms, etc. I have just added onion and capsicum. So let's move on to the recipe. Here I have taken 4 eggs, added a pinch of salt and pepper powder, beaten the egg well. In a pan, add some oil. To that, add boneless chicken. If you have leftover chicken, you can use that also. Since I am adding fresh chicken, just sauteing it with a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook it for 2 minutes and transfer to a plate. To the same pan, add some onion and capsicum, saute it for another 2 minutes. When you see that the onion and capsicum are almost half cooked, you can add the already cooked chicken. Just give it a quick mix and add the beaten eggs. Close the lid and cook for 1 minute, and after 1 minute you can add some coriander leaf over it. Then again close the lid and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. In between, make sure you just try to scrap the sides, and while scrapping the sides you can see that the bottom are cooked. Then it's time to flip the omelette. Since the omelette is heavy, you will need a plate to flip the omelette. Gently transfer the omelette to the plate, then flip it back to the pan again. And again close the lid and cook for another 2 minutes so that the other side is also get cooked. Your high protein breakfast recipe is now ready to serve. Hope you like our recipe, and if you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit that bell icon so that you get all notifications as soon as we upload the video. And don't forget to share, like and comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.